lose some weight, both of you. It's so unhealthy. You're
Look at
putting
yourself.
off an extra 10 years of your life. Please lose weight.
Really? Look.
No one cares about that. That's not unhealthy for you. Being fat is.
Fuck you, stupid ass bitch! Go fucking kill yourself!
Bitch. You know neck rectangular glass bitch. Why are you talking? Okay.
Like 15?
15. Alright. You decide to go to the skating rink, right? You waltz in there. You decide to, you're like, you know, before I start skating, I want to use the bathroom. You walk in there. You know, the guy who owns the skating rink comes in there. He's like, what are you doing with your skates on in the bathroom? He bitch slaps you. Bends you over. And dicks you down.
Sounds like I can sue for a lot of money. Is this a personal experience?
Is that supposed to be funny?
Yeah.
Did you think you were funny?
Yeah.
The only
Did
thing
you
funny
think
is
you
your
were
big
funny?
ass teeth.
Did you think you were funny?
Don't
You look
stick out
strange, your XY chromosome?
Shut the fuck up, you ugly bitch. Why are you talking? Your head is shaped like a fucking... What the fuck even is that? Your head is shaped like a router, you big bitch. It's on
Hi.
a survey.
Sure.
Is that over?
Hold on.
Oh.
I'm trying to hold something back. Yo, I can't. What the fuck?
Bro.
Hold up, I'm trying to hold something back.
Yo.
He's talking mad fast. Alright, so me and my mom and her friend.
Let her say it, let her say it, let her say it.
Fuck! Oh shit! Holy shit, who the fuck would molest that?
I had my hair done. I said that. What did you just see? Cause
Show your face again?
you just
Show your face again.
Yeah.
Have you ever been molested?
No.
Well, I plan on changing that pretty soon.
Please do.
What? You're fat. I would run away from you. I would think you're gonna molest me.
Hold on.
There's no way.
Is that a finger or a leg? Where are your knuckles?
It's sausages.
Where are your knuckles at?
Somewhere in there. Somewhere.
You could go in a boxing ring and not have to put on gloves.
That is true.
Hi.
Who did it the first time?
I'd rather not talk about that.
You agreed to do the survey.
My dad.
Green never related so much in his life.
Bro, I was 10. Leave me alone.
Funny.
Raped at 10?
Okay, I've been through.
Does
I've
your dad
been.
still live with you?
What?
Does your dad still live with you?
No, he gave up his rights.
What are you about to fucking cry?
Shut up.
You got raped.
I can't. I
Alright,
can't.
you're 15, how tall are you?
5'4".
It's fucking cap.
I'm 5'4".
Not 150 pounds.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Add another 40 pounds on
See, you're 40 pounds overweight.
I'm 115.
No, we should
I
add another
literally
40
just
pounds.
checked like 3 days ago.
How many times have you been molested?
That wasn't one of the questions you said last question. Last question ago.
That was half a question, now this is the rest.
3 times.
Molested 3 times? Jeez, did you not learn the first time? Did you not learn that
I
he was
tried.
stronger than you?
It's not like I tried to.
What, did you think you were stronger than him? Did you lift weights one time and were like, yeah, I can fight him off this time? You just get raped at like 30, trying to take a jog at night. You get raped at 15.
Oh my god. Bruh.
Alright, last question.
Okay.
How much do you want?
Why?
What?
You don't want to agree to do this.
Say it's to see how many fat bitches get raped or
I
something.
feel like I'm gonna get called a bunch of names for saying what I say away.
We're literally just trying to get a percentage on how many fat bitches get raped a year. Just trying to see where you're at.
115.
Oh, thank you.
That was Evelyn again, I guarantee it.
Lose some weight.
Like,
That guy looked like Liz.
Yo.
अरे उसी चीज का तो चार्जेस है ना भैया। हाँ, पासवर्ड का चार्जेस है तो लाइसेंस क्रिएट करके देना पड़ता है, उसका चार्जेस।
Kiss.
The fuck was that?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Show your face.
Kiss.
Bestie.
Kiss.
The fuck is talking?
My dog.
Come on, bestie, show your
Kiss.
face.
Dude, can this fat bitch shut the fuck up so I can
We're
hear?
furries.
Arr.
Woof.
The fuck? What am I watching?
This shit. What the hell?
It's Elijah.
This bitch is weird.
You probably like it, huh? Meow.
Put this in the new video. TikTok bitch meows at me.
Went on Omegle to get people to 1v1 on Fortnite.
You shoot down constantly because you're absolutely ass. Yes, stud. You're ass. You have to use your AR for everything. You're ass, mate.
5-1.
Mate, you're ass. Mate,
5-1
mate, you're ass. You have to
that's my
spray on
first
everything.
shit.
You have to shoot down, you prick.
5-1. Get shit on, bitch.
Are you a little Fortnite kid?
Mate, you shut the fuck up. Come to your pussy ass.
I will. With my fat ass.
No fucking way. EU servers too. There's no fucking way. I could beat this kid.
That was clueless when you were born.
He said your mom was clueless when you were born.
How the fuck is that a Mongo Classic, you dumbass?
Hope you enjoy.
Are you sure you're good at Fortnite?